So not much to tell you this week. It's been a busy week, but not much filming gone on. Probably the biggest thing that I have pretty much finished is I've now gyprocked this piece of brick wall, which makes this room much lighter. Trimmed it out. That bit of cornice is just sitting there to get my height for my trim. And trimmed out this side and started filling in the holes where the bricks were. And that all has to be finished, of course. But that's going to be with the rest of the kitchen. So nothing changed inside the kitchen as such. Still got to patch up these holes yet where the brick pillar was, but that's going to wait for some offcuts because all of this is being re-gyprocked once I pull out the kitchen. Getting timing right with the electrician and the plumber, and then being able to pull out the kitchen, rip off the gyprock, etc. That's all the finessing, I guess you'd say, is getting that right. So pretty much all of the cabinets are now built, taking up a lot of space in my shed, but that's okay. That's why I built a big shed. Still need a bigger shed. Couple of minor cabinets to go. That's the corner cabinet over there, microwave and all that sort of thing. Yeah, that's all gone relatively smoothly. Just wanted to give you a heads up on where we're at with the kitchen reno. Not a lot of filming. I didn't think you'd want to watch more cabinet building, even in time lapse. There's only so much of that you can watch, I guess, and it gets pretty boring. Anyway, that's it for this week. See you next week. As well as building kitchens, I've also been trying to get my grass nice. A little bit of landscaping here and there. We built these garden beds, put in edging, just trying to fill in the gaps now. This was quite low here, so we filled in here and just waiting for the grass to fill in those low spots. But it's all starting. Another Toyota? That's a high car. That's another story. That's the donor for Boris. I think I've told you about that before. Anyway, we're getting there. It's looking nice. It's taking a lot of water. It's very dry and actually quite hot here in Tasmania at the moment, so hence the beads of sweat. When I say hot, compared to the Northern Territory, not hot. But still, 29, 30 degrees, that's pretty hot for Tasmania, and the sun is, wow. Here's a little bit of trail cam footage of one of our native residents at our property. This is a eastern barred bandicoot, and they are endangered because of these damn things.